Hey everyone, hey, in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from your Bitcoin wallet in your Cash App and send it to another Bitcoin wallet. Let's say you're paying somebody for something where you want to transfer it to another wallet. Okay, so of course, you see we can go back down here. Now this time on the left hand side you see what looks like a little house with 3 lines under it. The bottom left hand corner, that's where I did have money there before, and if you have money it's where it shows. But when you click on that, it takes you to a screen back here. Of course, it shows I got 22 cents available here, but that's cash, okay? Now, if I click on the Bitcoin button in the middle, it's going to show what I've got there available, $14.88. Now, the Cash App has a minimum of a $10 withdrawal, okay? So, again, withdrawal. So you want to go down here where it says withdraw Bitcoin. You want to click on that button there, okay? And you see it says that's the minimum right there to withdraw for Bitcoin. So it's already got it marked at 0.001. So I'm going to just say I want to do that. That's $10 worth. Click on the withdrawal button. Now it's asking you can actually scan a barcode, or you can or scan a QR code, or you can enter it manually. So click on the enter manual button. Now I've already gone to my Bitcoin wallet in Coinbase, and I've already copied the Bitcoin address. So I'm just going to simply go here. Well, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go back and do it again because it may change. Okay, so let's go back here. I'm going to go to my Coinbase. Now, when you're in Coinbase, I'm on my mobile phone, of course. And in here in Coinbase, I'm going to click on the, I'll show you where I got that from. You see where it's portfolio down below is lit up? That's in Coinbase. But if you were home, you would see something like this. So just go to portfolio. Then put your finger where it says BTC Wallet. You want to click on BTC Wallet. And then, of course, up here, you see where it has the QR code box right there. You want to click on that, and then it's going to tell you that it's going to display your wallet that you can copy. So I'm going to click on Copy. And, of course, it's copied it over. Now I'm going to change over to the screen we were on. And in here, I'm going to go ahead and put my finger there, and I'm going to paste that wallet in there. Going to click on next. It's going to ask me to confirm it, so I'm going to paste the same wallet in again, and I'm going to click on next. All right, and please confirm that that's what I want to withdraw to that wallet address, and I click on confirm, and I initiated the withdrawal of that amount, and I can click on the done button, and as you see, that's what I've got left. So it's going to send it over, and what that's going to do is whatever wallet that you're using before, let's say you're using Coinbase, I'm going to go over here and click on, make sure I've got, okay, my Bitcoin wallet here. Okay. Now see I've got a receiving pending transaction right there. That's the 0.001 Bitcoin that I have that's coming from where I just sent. And that's how you send Bitcoin out to another wallet. I hope this has helped somebody. Have a good day.